Okay, this is the phone. Okay, I need to change the back housing because the back housing is damaged. You see, all this side is totally damaged, cannot close properly again. All this place is totally damaged, you know, the casing, everything is damaged. So I need to change the back housing. Okay, you need to put at the heat machine at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that the glue become weak, so you can remove the back case. If you don't have the heat machine at home, you can still remove it for yourself because this one is rubber, it's not a glass. You just use the pencil and put inside. My own, I already heat it because I have the machine. So you just put it inside like this. You open it right now. Okay. You remove the back cover. Okay. There is so many screws at the back of the phone. You have to take out all the screws. Make sure you take out all the screw back of the phone. Then remove this other screw here and remove the panel there. Because the fingerprint cable is this side, you have to take out this panel and disconnect the fingerprint cable. Okay. And now you have to take out the SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray. Okay. Then you remove this back cover. Okay. You take it out. Okay. There's another screw here, a little bit small screw. Take out this small screw. Okay. No need. Just leave it there because it just changed the the back cover. Because the casing comes with the frame off, everything one set comes. But you don't need to change the frame because the frame is okay. Nothing happens to the frame because sometimes when you change the frame, this is the frame. Okay. It comes one set with everything, with the camera cover, everything, with the SIM tray, everything. Okay. But you don't need to change this one because sometimes if you want to change this one, it might break the screen, the LCD. Okay. And sometimes if you change this one, the phone will become, the network will become very, very weak. Okay, the network will become very, very weak. Okay, it's better you don't change it because the original one is still okay. Okay, that's why I see sometimes when people change their phone, change the frame, also the network will become very weak because this one will contain a lot of network. Okay, after you remove everything, okay, now you need to remove the power button and the fingerprint cable is there. You have to be careful. You take it out because this is the only thing you need to transfer this side. Okay, because the network antenna, everything is on the new casing already. Okay, so you be careful. You make sure you take out from the down. Don't spoil the network cable. I made the fingerprint. Okay, you remove this rubber first here with one side. Be careful for the connector, very be careful so you don't spoil the connector. You just try to ease it up a bit. You have to just ease it up a bit like this. Okay, you take out the fingerprint cable, take it from down so you can just don't spoil the fingerprint cable. Be careful. Okay, just try to open it. Do it slowly. Okay, take out this one slowly like this. Okay, after you remove the fingerprint and the power button, now you need to remove this panel also. You take it out. Okay, and you need to replace this panel also here. Okay, so you just apply a bit glue this side. Just put a bit glue this side. on the panel. Just put it right around here. Not too much glue, just put it a bit like this. Okay, and you fix it at the inside here. Just put it like this. Okay, then now you need to apply a bit glue inside there so you can fix the fingerprint cable, the power button. Okay, and you fix the power button first so you don't lose the position for the fingerprint cable. Make sure you fix properly, the same way how you take it from the other one. Okay, yeah, you don't forget to fix back this rubber. You have to replace it back from the back here. Make sure the rubber goes down here at the back of this other rubber so that the thing will rest properly. Okay, after you finish fix the power button and the fingerprint cable, now you need to fix the volume key. Make sure you fix it perfectly here. Make sure it goes inside here. And you pass the cable also at the back of this rubber here. It's supposed to be at the back there so that the cover will close properly. Okay, like this. Okay, now you put it back of the phone. Make sure it rests properly. Okay. Okay. After that, you make sure you connect the fingerprint cable. Make sure you connect it well. Okay. Then you close this back. Make sure you put the screw there so that in case the phone falls down, the fingerprint cable will not disconnect. Okay. Then if you want, you replace all the screw first, because you need to put this camera cover. You need to put a bit glue at the back here to make this one rest. So you can replace all the screw first back of the phone. Make sure you put all the screw, so many screw. After you put all the screw back of the phone, now you need to fix the camera cover here. Okay, make sure you put a bit glue at the back here, just close to the cover side here. Okay, then you put the, make sure the flashlight is down, don't turn it upside down. Okay, you fix it inside like this. Okay, then you put a bit one here also, just a bit. Okay, then you fix this one also. Okay, just fix this one. Don't worry, after you finish you can still clean it. This one, there's a plastic at the back, you will take out the plastic, so just make sure this one is fixed properly. Okay, now you need to put the glue right round of the phone here, so you can put the back cover. Make sure you put it right round. After you fix all this one, don't forget to remove the flashlight reflector here on the old one. Okay, then you fix it at the back here on the new one. Just fix it like this, so the flashlight will be camera flashlight will be clear. Okay, then you just put back of the phone like this. Make sure you put it straight. Okay, then you can use this rubber, you just put it there. If you don't have the rubber, you can put a tape at least for 30 minutes, so the glue become dry. Then you take it out, then you remove the plastic. Okay, then you put at the top here also. Okay, don't forget you put the SIM tray. Okay, then you leave it at least for 10 to 15 minutes before you take it out. After you leave it to dry for 15 minutes, now you just take out the rubber. Okay, remove the plastic at the back of the phone. Okay, there's another plastic here also. You take out this one, back of the camera side. Okay, now the phone look new, right? It's okay now. Okay, everything is good, it's look new now, everything nice. Okay, I mean it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.